The highly anticipated Marinello 17 Fisherman is set to make its debut soon, and we are excited to bring you an exclusive testing session. Stay tuned for more updates and detailed insights. As we always do, let's begin with some in-depth technical specifications and features of this remarkable boat. We will cover everything from its design and build quality to its performance on the water. Make sure you don't miss out on any of the exciting information we have in store for you. It is a boat that can be easily driven, to be precise, without a license, because it is equipped with a beautiful 40 horsepower 4-cylinder Yamaha engine. However, let's talk about the boat, which has a length of 5.18 x 2.35 millimeters and can accommodate a fairly large family, as it has a capacity for up to 6 people, and can accommodate a fairly large family, as it has a capacity of up to 6 people. I often find myself seeing boats that are very well maintained, and this is definitely one of them, because there are only 2 ways to take care of things, and not just boats, well or poorly. When a customer decides to put protective covers on the cushions, that is, full cushion covers for the entire boat, it means that regardless of the size of the investment made and many other factors, they care about keeping things in good condition, and this is definitely one of those. The driver's seat is a comfortable 2-person setup, allowing me to easily operate the boat in this position, while having another person, perhaps my guest, beside me. Additionally, the stern bench can comfortably seat 4 people, while still leaving a passage for direct access to the sea. Well, that's a lot of comfort considering the modest size of this boat. Here it is, the very quiet one. Even if I lower my voice a lot, it is hardly audible, except for the sound of the water jet. 4 cylinders, 4 strokes, electronic injection, a very generous engine for propulsion, very beautiful, very compact, and it really pushes this boat, the Marinello 17, very, very well. But anyway, if you continue to watch the video, you will also see the performance, so how much we can achieve and in what way. Our dashboard, our control panel, central steering, of course the steering wheel, remote control, and the forward and reverse controls on the right side of the steering console. The instrumentation, from the horn to the navigation lights. The 2 original Yamaha instruments to monitor the engine, from engine hours to 350 hours of fresh water. Nothing. The other instrument to check and continuously monitor the engine, a depth sounder that should never be missing. Well, everything you absolutely need is there, and it's very convenient. A characteristic of open boats of this size, typically over the last 20 years, is having a very comfortable bow sunbathing area. Well, here, as you can see, it is also covered with cushion covers. Everything is really spacious, comfortable, and very wide. In fact, I am only at the very front, so the part at the bow of the boat, but if I want to lie down, there is really space for 2 people, or even 3, comfortably seated, or lying down to sunbathe. Look at how much space we have here, on the side, down there. Well, it's not bad at all. Now let's go because it's quite hot. I've already shown you the boat in detail, and you can find more information in the description below or by contacting us for further details. Additionally, you can learn more about the boat specifications, features, and performance. But now, let's go try the boat. So, I detach the safety card, always keeping it attached to my wrist. Safety is never too much. Remember, it's crucial to always follow safety protocols and wear the safety gear provided. I lower the trim, engage the gear, and let's have some fun. Follow us for more exciting adventures and updates. Bye. Another important thing, of course, is to see how quickly we can get on plane. So throttle, minimum speed. I sit down for safety, trim all the way down, 3, 2, 1, go 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds. And we are already on plane, not bad for a boat without a license. Another very important thing is to know how much we consume and at what speed we go to keep the Marinello 17 on plane. This is the minimum planing speed of this Marinello 17 Fisherman. We are at 14-15 knots. Let's update and round it to 15 knots. And we are consuming 8.4 liters per hour. Not bad at all for a boat without a license. But let's also see what we can do at full throttle. Hold on, Sandy. Let's go. It runs very well. And not bad at 5,700 RPM, 28 knots. Well, I really hope you enjoyed the test. The day is indeed beautiful. It's quite warm. Absolutely. The boat performs very, very well. The combination of this Marinello 17 Fisherman and this 40 Yamaha is truly a wonderful and exceptional pairing as it travels very, very smoothly. As I mentioned at the beginning, you will find all the details of the boat in the drop down of this video, including the commercial sheet with the price and costs. In the commercial sheet, you will find the link that is directly connected to our website, www.barsbelandi.com. In addition to the website, you will also find all our contact details to reach us by phone, so you can also call us to schedule an appointment to come and see this beautiful used Marinello 17 from 2015. If you don't want to miss any of our videos, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel. All that's left for me to say is fair winds, and always keep an eye on the weather.